How to fix Google Chrome application error on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Chrome application error on Android phone. First, just go to settings and then scroll down until you find apps, and then apps again, and here just type Google Chrome and you will find it. Then click on it, and now go to permissions, enable all of those permissions here, click on it, click allow, click location and allow it, and then allow all of those. And now go to storage, clear cache. Now just click force stop and go back, try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, come back here to storage and then manage storage and click clear all data, and that's it. Now just try again, your problem must be fixed, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.